Data engineers, AI thinkers, and anyone who's ever laughed at a wonky AI output, welcome back to Coders Academy. Today, we are pitting 4 Gemini AI models against each other in the ultimate test, generating an SVG image of a monkey sitting on a branch with eyes that track your mouse cursor movements as if it's the last banana on earth. Hi, I am Ashish and welcome back to Coders Academy. In this video, we will compare Nano Banana, Gemini 3, Gemini 3 Pro and fresh out of oven Gemini 3.1 Pro. Here is the exact prompt that I fed them. Generate an SVG of a monkey sitting quietly on a branch. Make the monkey's eyes follow the user's cursor as it moves across the screen. Why this? Because it's visual, interactive and exposes the creativity and edge case handling of the models. Perfect for spotting which model is the real king of the jungle. So let's find out who aced the race. But before the showdown, let's have a look at Gemini 3.1 Pro, the latest beast released from the stable of Google AI. The model boasts of reasoning with unprecedented depth and nuance, advanced multimodal understanding, and the best model for wipe coding and agentic coding, and improved agentic capabilities. If that wasn't enough, the model performs superbly well in all the benchmarks when compared to the other models like Gemini 3 Pro, Sonnet, Opus 4.6, GPT 5.2 and Codex. The input is multimodal and the output is a text output with the input tokens limited to 1 million tokens, the output tokens limited to 64K. The model is available in Gemini app, Google Cloud or Vertex AI, Google AI Studio, Gemini API, Google AI Mode and Google Antigravity. If you haven't checked my video on Google Antigravity, I'll attach the link to the card here. We will first try the prompt in Nano Banana. So we'll select Create Image from Tools and Submit. The model has generated the image. Let's download that. So I'll open this image. As you can see, it's a very basic image of a monkey with a banana on a branch. So nothing spectacular. Now let's try the same prompt in Gemini 3. So this is the Gemini 3 model that I'm using here. Submit. So it gives us a warning that it cannot generate the SVG file directly, but it has given us an HTML file which we can try out in an editor and then eventually into a browser. So this is how this particular image looks like. So as you see, the eyes are rotating as per the cursor movements and it's a very basic image, doesn't look like a monkey at all. Now let's try the same prompt in the Pro version of Gemini 3. So this is Gemini 3 Pro. Yeah, even it has generated an HTML file. So I'll copy this file and open it into a browser. Okay, so this is the entire HTML file. We'll copy that and open that into a browser. So I'll first go to the Notepad+. This is the file. I'll save it as Gemini 3 1.html file and open it into browser. Oh, this looks much better when compared to the other one. So the eyes are rotating. It looks more like a monkey sitting on a branch. A better result. So if you compare that with the earlier output, I mean this is much better than the earlier output. Now we will try the same prompt in Gemini 3.1 Pro. So here in the prompt, I'm going to type the same prompt and enter. So I noticed that it takes insane amount of time to generate the SVG image. So I'm fast forwarding it here. So the output is here in the form of an XML file. So we'll copy that and copy it into a CodePen. So I'll open CodePen in a new tab and copy this source code there in the HTML section here. And now the bottom page refreshes. That's the output. So I'll just rearrange the windows here. Oh, this looks amazing. So this looks more like a realistic image of a monkey sitting on a branch, and I think the graphics are much better than the earlier outputs. So 3.1 Pro does give us a better result compared to the earlier models that Gemini has released. So just now you saw how the 4 models perform for the prompt that we gave. Clearly 3.1 Pro is a genius and stands out among all the 4. 3.1 Pro swings to the top, smarter, steadier, and ready for your next project. Which model surprised you the most? Drop in the comments. Also let me know what is the new project that you created using Gemini 3.1 Pro. If you found this content useful, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the content. Thank you so much for watching.